Hey, this is Bryce Andrews. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the Enhancement 9, the detailed view. So let's get that opened up. I'm going to run this here. Oh, you know what? Start my Apache. I'm going to actually navigate to the uploads page because I wanted to show how this works. So right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload another image for the rocket. So if I click upload, it says you must select a product in an image file and then compute. Welcome to places where images happen, pick your poison below. So it didn't like that I didn't put anything in there. If I choose, let's say I choose the rocket and then choose the file and choose the same image and try and upload it, it should give me an error. Hey dummy, image and name combo already exists, so that already exists. So I'm going to choose a different picture for that. I've got another image. Let's see, right here. Let's upload that. The upload did not fail, yay! Okay, so down here we can see that the rocket image did upload to that. Now I'm going to actually navigate to that product display, and you can see that the image showed up right here, and these are the thumbnails for that. I'm going to inspect these to make sure they're the correct size. As you can see, it is the correct size. It's less than 500 by 500, and the thumbnails are the correct size as well. This one's 200 by 111, and this one is 200 by 164. So those are the correct size. I'm going to go to localhost and to my PHP admin, and I'm going to show that the inventories all have two images, one for the regular size and one for the thumbnail. So I scroll down here, you can see that they all have those images in there. Come back here and do a validate on this page. Looks good, no errors. Come here again and do a CSS validate. No errors. I also I'm gonna go in and validate that uploads page just to be thorough, and that validates. Let's just do a CSS on this one as well. Validates. Make sure I have everything. Image loads. Validates. Right size image. Okay. Looks like I've got everything. That is my video for this week. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks.